Meantime, President Obama says nobody's madder than he is at the healthcare law website's chronic problems.
As he touted the law's benefits, he used a local man as an example. Channel 11's Lisa Sylvester is here to explain. Lisa?
Hi, Peggy and David. Well, I just got back from interviewing John Meyer, and he believes that it's very important for citizens to tell their elected leaders what they think about the job they're doing. So just 3 days ago, he wrote a letter to the White House. He thought that would be the end of it, but it wasn't.
A little bit. Could you call me in about 10 minutes? Same number is perfect. Thank you, sir. White House.
Yes, that was the White House calling John Meyer of Leetsdale in the middle of our interview. Meyer is an HVAC engineer who was singled out today in a speech by President Obama on health care.
I got a letter last week from a self-employed man named John Meyer in Leetsdale, Pennsylvania. He used the new marketplace to get himself and his wife covered and save a lot of money. And here's what he said, because it pretty much sums up my message today.
We tracked down John, who is now fielding calls from media as far away as San Francisco.
I think this is my 15 seconds of fame. And, you know, if it goes toward helping people get health insurance in a way that will lower the cost, I say, why not?
John's wife has diabetes and the health bills were piling up. He went on the healthcare exchange and now is saving $900 a month. But it wasn't easy going at first.
It was horrible as far as getting on, but it kept getting better and better. And within 2 weeks, I had already had coverage.
John decided to share his experience by writing a letter on the White House website, never thinking anything much would come of it. But he now knows what happens to all of those letters.
They read all of them. They pull out 10 per day that they have the president read himself. And so this was one of those 10. And he was giving a speech and he said, well, why don't we put it in?
Now, the White House contacted him only this morning to let him know that he would be mentioned in the president's speech, but he hopes that it will encourage other people to sign up for the program. David?